How to build a kitchen island. Building an island in your kitchen can really make good use of space and provides a focal point for socializing as well as cooking. You'll find a full list of tools and materials you'll need at the end of this video. First, work out the size and placement of your kitchen island. For instance, you might place your island in a triangle near major workspaces like a cooker and a sink. Make sure you plan enough aisle space around the island of at least 1 meter 20 centimeters. Having an overhang at the edge of your worktop can be attractive and useful if you are looking for extra seating space. We're going to build one using 2 of these modern-style kitchen cabinets side by side with a beautiful pre-cut dark oak worktop. Start by assembling your cabinets. For more information on this, see our film, How to Build a Kitchen Cabinet. Then, place the 2 cabinets where you want the island to be in your kitchen. Make sure they are level using a spirit level, and adjust by twisting their feet to raise or lower. Then, clamp the 2 cabinets together with a G-clamp. To attach the cabinets together neatly, you can hide the connecting screws behind the hinge plates. First, remove the hinge plates and drill a hole underneath. Then, screw through to the adjacent cabinet and replace the hinge plate. At the back of the cabinets, attach using screws through pre-drilled holes. Now you need to construct the outer shell of your island. We're going to use 2 base unit side panels and 1 breakfast bar back panel. These will completely cover the sides and back of the cabinets, making a stylish and stable structure to the island. First, work out where you will attach your end panels to the floor by laying them out next to the cabinets. Make sure that the L-shaped brackets will not be obstructed by the legs of the cabinet. Then, screw the L-shaped brackets into place on the end panel where the panel will meet the floor. Put 2 on each end panel to give you the best support. Then, clamp the side panels back to the cabinets and place the back panel between them. Then carefully adjust their positions until you are satisfied. Use duct tape to hold the 3 panels together. Then carefully slide the cabinets out from the sides and back panels. Attach the side and back panels to the floor using L-shaped brackets. Use brackets to attach the side to the back as well. Then slide the island back between the side and back panels. Attach the cabinets to the back panel using more L-shaped brackets. To attach the side panels to the cabinet, drill through the cabinet from the inside using pre-marked holes. As the combined thickness of the cabinet and the end panel is about 30 mm, 20 to 25 mm drill depth should suffice. And be sure to use a drill bit size that is less than the width of the screws. Then screw the cabinet to the side panels. To fit the plinth to the bottom of the cabinet, first, place it at the front of the feet and mark the center point of the feet on the board. Then screw the bracket centrally to the mark and roughly halfway up the plinth. Then slide in the clip. Finally, clip the plinth onto the legs. Now place your work surface onto the cabinets and work out exactly how you want it to sit. Our worktop is 900 mm wide. We'll arrange it so it has a 200 mm overhang at the back for sitting at. Using L-shaped brackets, drill and attach the worktop to the cabinets. Use support brackets on the overhang to give extra support. Now add the doors to the cabinet. See our film, How to Fit Doors and Drawers. Now your new island is finished and ready to go. Here is a list of the tools you'll need to make your kitchen island. And these are the materials. And this is the safety equipment.